What's good, pretty gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's Pretty My, and today I'm just installing this blunt cut bob headband wig. This hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. Of course, I worked with them before, one of my favorite companies for curly hair. So to try this straight hair today was really fun, and I want to thank y'all for sending this wig to me. Stay tuned if y'all are interested in how I achieved this look. And as always, the information to this wig, the link to this wig, the information to the company, all of that, it will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't even bother watching the video, just subscribe. I'm telling you, trust me, it's lit, and we have a lot more special content coming out. And comment down below what y'all think of my background. I got a new background. I don't know if y'all saw me, but listen, stay tuned and keep watching if y'all want to watch me install this wig. Alright y'all, so today we're going to get into another headband wig. This one's from Beauty Forever Hair, but if y'all been keeping up, I've been getting a bunch of headband wigs because of the lace shortage. If y'all want to hear about that, basically I guess it's a shortage of lace wigs because of COVID and all that. So let me put that back. Okay, this headband wig is a little different from the other ones I got because we got a bob today, y'all, and I was kind of like excited when I opened the box because it's kind of cute. So basically we're gonna do it a little different. I'm gonna talk through this video, and yeah, we're just gonna go through the box real quick and then put on the wig and all that. I'm bald headed, so we're gonna have to go through this box pretty quick. So like I said, the wig is from Beauty Forever Hair. Y'all can see the box kind of. They gave me a bunch of headbands today. Like today they just went overboard, low-key. We got all these headbands, all these options. I love these bandana ones. I got these from a different company too, but I'm glad that I have more because I lost my blue one. Yeah, and then I got another sparkly headband. I'm gonna start I think I'm gonna start like giving these away with wigs because I have 3 now, maybe, or maybe I'll just keep them, but I don't know. Maybe let me know, should I put these like with the wigs on the wig sale when I do that, or should I like give these away? I know people charge like $20 for these. I'm not gonna do that because I'm not a headband like seller, but I know they're expensive to get, so if y'all want them, like, let me know. Yeah, I got so many headbands from them. The only other thing in the box is a wig cap and then the bag that the hair came in. It doesn't matter what color your wig cap is because it's a headband wig. So I just got on this light tan one. But yeah, we're gonna get into this. So first, before I put on my headband wigs, I like to like pop my headband wigs on and then I'm done. So before I put them on, I like to do everything like edges. We're gonna do my edges, all of that before the wig, because I hate putting it on and then working when I don't even have to because it's no lace on it. We're gonna start with baby hairs. Oh, you probably can't really tell, but I just brushed out my baby hairs. They look so thin, but it's okay. Once we add some gel, they'll look better. I always use Eco Styler, bruh. I'm tired of y'all acting like it don't hold down people's hair. I don't have 4C hair or nothing like that, so it works fine on my hair. But I get a lot of comments of y'all telling me it don't work. So if y'all like want to help each other out down below and give some other recommendations, because I can't. So this is what I like to use. So my edges are done. When my edges are done, I usually spray these short ones up here just to make sure that they don't curl up because they always do. So I'm gonna spray what got to be sprayed so that they'll stay in place. And then we're gonna tie down my hair. So I just tied it down and then I let my hair dry. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when it's done drying. Alright y'all, so now that my hair is dry, I'm gonna take this off. And then we can finally put this wig on. So this is the wig, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's a bob. A nice short bob. I hate when they give me them long bobs that just be kind of like blunt cuts. But they're such an awkward length. Like, it don't be looking right. But this is cute. So this is how it's looking. And then we're going to tie this in the back. Or Velcro it in the back. This wig feels like it has extra room. This is big head friendly. I don't know if it's small head friendly because right now it feels like I have extra space. And I usually wear larger wigs. So I'm thinking about doing a side part. I've never done a side part with a headband wig. look like somebody mama. Oh my god. You got the right idea. I don't really like how it's looking. I think it's this part. Okay, y'all, after digging through my little collection, we're gonna use this one. It's like a super duper dark blue. Okay, yeah, this looks much better than before. Honestly, y'all, I'm kind of feeling a little side piece, you know. It's kind of cute. And I love the length of this bob because I feel like it's not too long. I feel like a lot of the times these companies, they're always too long. I would actually like it to be a little shorter, but since I didn't cut this and I was sent this is like a good length. Alright, so I flat ironed it and this is how it's looking. It's kind of cute, like stiff weird. Okay, I wish I could have did something more exciting to this hair, but I tried to curl it before and it was not cute at all. This is how we're gonna have to leave it, okay, because I don't want to ruin the hair at all. And that was really quick and easy to put on. As always, headband wigs are like a go-to for easy application because listen, this probably took all of 10 minutes. Overall, I guess the rating I would give it is probably a 9 out of 10 because there's extra space in the back. If this is a large, that's okay, but if this is one size fits all, for my small head girls, I don't think it's gonna be the best wig for you. Let me know what y'all think down below about this hair. I'm sorry this video kind of short. I tried to talk through it to make it a little longer. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in my next one. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to join the Pretty Gang so you can be pretty gangster like me. Yeah, stay tuned for more content and stay tuned for some vlogs and some girl talk videos because that's what I'm feeling in the mood for lately. So also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at ITSPrettyNY. I'm gonna catch y'all over there and I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video.